It feels as though life has paused in the darkness of the night, as though the light of dawn might never come. I mean, what's there to see in the dark, let alone write about anymore?
Hello. Hello. Ratu? Hello, you there?
Hey Prithvi,
Hi. Hi. How are you?
I'm good. तुम बताओ?
All good, yeah? सब बढ़िया. सब ठीक है ना? You called all of a sudden.
Yeah, all okay. It's lockdown, right? So I thought I'll just call and check on you.
Right.
अंकल आंटी कैसे?
मम्मी पापा ठीक है यार, सब बढ़िया. Thankfully all healthy and fine. How's auntie? How's Nick? Nick क्या कर रहा है आजकल?
अरे मॉम का तो घर पे रहना कोई नई बात तो है नहीं. So she is handling it pretty well. And Nicky, he is actually missing school for a change.
That's nice.
So, working from home?
I just finished a meeting, yeah. these guys had asked us to work from home like 1 week before the lockdown only. It has its pros and cons, but तुम बताओ क्या हो रहा है?
Same, working from home. But finally getting to experiment with my newfound cooking skills. I can actually make more than bread toast now, you know.
Wow, you and cooking, huh?
अरे काफी कुछ बना लेती हूँ.
Right.
Coffee at night. ये गंदी आदत तुम्हारी अभी तक नहीं गई.
अब ब्लैक कॉफ़ी तो चाहिए ही होती है. अब सब कुछ तो नहीं बदलेगा ना.
मगर काफी कुछ बदल गया ना. Guess what? Today while cleaning I found that old diary of mine. Remember I'd sent you the doodle once?
Right. I sit within you.
How have you been all this while, Prithvi?
All this time, you mean since we last met, Ritu? I'm great, yeah. काफी कुछ सीखा है मैंने.
You know, it's been exactly 4 years since we last met. Crazy how time flies, huh?
You waited exactly 4 years to tell me that.
Oh, you wish. I told you, na, I found that old diary of mine.
अच्छा, and you happen to open it at that exact date. Ritu, यार seriously, मतलब अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो बता दें यार. मतलब you can talk to me.
Arey, it was the last entry I'd made, okay? So just relax. In fact, I'd completely stopped writing after we stopped talking.
Really? Wow.
Hey, Prithvi, I'm getting a call. Can I put you on hold?
Okay, yeah, sure.
I'll be quick, huh?
Yeah, no worries.
तुझे क्या हो गया?
Arey, you won't believe who I'm talking to, Diya. I can't even believe it myself.
अक्षय.
I know, yaar. Prithvi.
What? What the hell? How? And why? यार उसे 4 साल से तो तेरी याद आई नहीं है ना? अब लॉकडाउन में बैठा बैठा बोर हो गया होगा, सोचा होगा कॉल कर देता हूँ. तो यू डोंट.
ऐसा नहीं है. I was cleaning up and I found my old diary, okay? And then, you know, I was flipping through the pages and we never got a closure, यार.
रितु, तुझमें इतनी भी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है?
अरे यार, please come on. Anyway, I've got to go. I've kept him on hold. I'll call you later and give you the full खबर, okay?
Yes, give me full खबर.
चल, bye. Hello? You there?
Hello, hi. Yeah, I'm here. What call?
नहीं, दिया.
Diya. My God, that girl. She hated my guts, man.
Please, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था, okay? She was just protective about me.
Protective, yeah, right. So, और बताओ. How's work, Rit?
Same old, yaar. Codes, bug fixes. Nothing's changed for me. What about you?
It's been cool, yeah. I got promoted 3 months back, so since then work has been pretty much relaxed.
Wow, congrats. I'm so happy for you, Bunny. I'm sorry. That just came out of nowhere, man.
It's okay. These things don't really affect me anymore. Frankly, starting में थोड़ा hard था. मतलब I'm glad कि I realized मैं उतना strong नहीं हूँ जितना मैं सोचा था. So I ended up going for therapy. And it was quite a disappointment, यार. मेरी dear जिंदगी में शाहरुख खान नहीं मिला मुझे.
Shahrukh Khan. That should have been my line, okay? Not yours.
अच्छा, then you'll have to go for therapy, ना, for that.
Maybe. But seriously, yeah, that's where you can talk to me came from, huh?
नहीं वो बात नहीं है. मैं सीरियसली गया था. 6 महीने के लिए गया था थेरेपी. It was something I needed, yeah.
But I always thought that I was someone you could talk to. इतना क्या हो गया?
नहीं यार, I mean, it was just something. I think it was just something I really wanted. That's all.
मतलब? What did you want?
I
Okay, I'm sorry. It's none of my business and you don't have to answer that.
no, it's all right. I can tell you. I think I just needed a break here to clear off stuff. That's all.
A break? From me? पृथ्वी, उस दिन तुम बस चले गए थे, okay? No questions asked, no fighting back. I said let's split and you were so quick to walk out. It was as if you were waiting for me to bring it up. You have any idea what it did to me? I was broken and shattered. My mind was all over the place, you know. I was so mad, hurt, confused all at once.
अरे यार, मैं कुछ बोलूं, please.
बोलो,
Can I say something?
अब बोलो.
See, it was not about how strongly I felt for you, okay? It was about two of us. And जितना भी हमने कोशिश किया, we could not lift each other up the way we needed, right? You know that.
And what about patience? You were pretty quick to give up.
अरे what patience, यार? You can't shove a shirt inside a fridge and wait patiently for it to come out washed up, na? It won't happen. It's not meant for that. I'm sorry. See, I was patient. मुझे शादी नहीं करनी थी. I would get anxious with just the thought of it. And I knew अगर मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगा तो तुम भी ज़्यादा पैनिक कर लेती.
But did you even try?
Yeah, I did not, and maybe that says something too, right? About me, not you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I ever asked too much from you. But I didn't know what was going on in your head because you never bothered to share or tell me anything. I was no mind reader.
I know, I'm sorry. And I think my ego just played a major part in all this, yeah.
Agreed. Your ego.
Oi.
Oh, it's true. But Prithvi, I'm glad you got to open up about it one way or another.
Yeah. You know, I never had the guts to tell you about us, and I thought if I tell you, then you would think that I've fallen out of love with you, and that's why I never bothered to.
I get it now. You know, I was in a very dark place myself, but never did I want to leave you. मैं खुद के साथ खुश नहीं थी, and so I think I just tried to get that out of you. And we just never addressed it. We never spoke about it, and we just drifted apart then.
मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था तुम कभी कॉल करोगी मुझे. And as much as I wanted to, my stubborn mind, you know, wouldn't let me call you. I guess everything happens for a reason. I hope no regrets, Ritu. I hope you forgive me.
I hope you can forgive me too. And you're right. Things happen the way they're supposed to. चलो, कम से कम पता तो चला कि तुम्हारे दिमाग में तब चल क्या रहा था.
मुझे भी पता चल गया. But like I said, I love you, Ritu, and I still have a lot of love for you. You were a huge part of the change in my life that I needed.
Likewise, buddy. I hope you heard that, huh? I said buddy, not bunny.
Yeah, I heard that. It's okay, Ritu. Free world है, जो बुलाना है बुला सकते हो. Buddy, bunny, honey, कुछ भी चलेगा.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया.
But damn you know how difficult it was to make up stories and excuses and tell people why we split.
I know, right? I had so many different versions for different people. I couldn't keep it straight after a point. I can't wait to call up Diya and clear it up.
अरे यार, you and Diya such gossip queens you guys are.
ओए, gossip नहीं होता, okay? It's called sharing.
Yeah, sharing, right.
और वैसे भी तुम लड़के लोग ना ज़्यादा gossip करते हो.
Hey, please, मैं नहीं करता. मतलब करता हूँ कभी कभी.
नींद नहीं आ रही है क्या?
नहीं यार, आई तो हैव लेट नाइट वर्किंग आवर्स आजकल, तो अब आदत सी हो गई है। यू स्लीपी?
It's long past my bedtime. पर पृथ्वी, अच्छा लगा बात करके।
सेम यार। अच्छा क्या हमने अपनी सारी भड़ास एक दूसरे पर निकाल दी। Now we can talk nicely to each other. That was lovely. I really respect that.
Same here.
But I doubt this will be a normal thing. I haven't reached that stage of enlightenment yet.
बुद्धा बनने को टाइम है, बुद्धू ही रहो।
Oh God, नहीं बुद्धा नहीं बनना मुझे यार।
But we should do this once in a while.
Yeah, occasionally कभी-कभी it'll be nice.
But not whole night, हाँ?
हाँ ठीक है, शॉर्टर रखेंगे।
चलो मिस्टर पृथ्वी, I'll get going.
Yes, I shall get going and you off to La La Land.
Maybe not. Haven't seen the sunrise in a long time.
Nice. ठीक है। You take care too.
Good night.
Good night. And good morning.
Good morning, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
चलो रखो।
हाँ रख रहा हूँ। Bye. Bye.
I guess there's something bittersweet about arriving at a place of closure, a sense of peace that comes with finally understanding why. I suppose that's what closure is, no? Finally being able to close a chapter with love in my heart and light in my eyes, as though a new dawn finally calls for a new day.